Well, I'm on my way to another auction. This one's a collection is being sold. It's got a little bit of everything. It's a nice mixed tractor collection. It's being sold on a timed online basis through Parsons Auctions. So let's just check it out and see what's there. Here's a John Deere 720. It's a decent restoration for sure. Front tires are cracked pretty good. They're smiling, but look at the back ones, they're brand new. This one's got the starting engine on it. Nice outfit, nice tractor. It's got a single remote on the back. This one's got a fuel gauge too. I don't know if that was added or these had them. Now this one's not a new tire, but it's a very decent one. It is a very nice John Deere for somebody. So there you go. There's a Farmall 460 diesel. The tractors are nice and straight. They're paid. Are they perfect paint jobs? No, but you don't have to be ashamed to take this to a show. Nice rubber. This one's got power adjusted rears on it. These seat cushions are hugely expensive and they've been done. Need the glow plug meter though. It's a nice old tractor. Leave my donut alone, dog. This one, the serial number is 20957. I'll make this 1960.
Can I look in your truck for some electrical tape or some tape?
Yeah, if you left hand side. Look how this has got a real narrow belt pulley on it. I've never seen one quite this narrow, but that's what this one's got. It's a diesel. So there's a nice 460 and new rubber all the way around. You can't go wrong with this one. Here's a Massey, a 444. Again, older restoration, but it looks really nice. Nice and straight, new rubber. And the 444s aren't overly common. This is one of the better 444s. We've seen a good one at Risky's sale, but this one's a good one too. This one's as nice. It's a very nice old 444. So there you go. Here's an Oliver 88 there. Again, nice restoration. You can see everything was kept inside. Front tires are a little cracked, but they're serviceable. Back ones are new. This one's a diesel. I'm amazed at how small the back tires are on this though. On an 88 that's 16.926, it doesn't seem enough for a tractor this size. It's got a PTO. I believe these are live PTOs too. No remote though. I don't think it's got hydraulics on it. It's a nice old 88 for somebody. So there you go. Here's a Cockshutt 30. This is done up nice. Good rubber all the way around. These are a Buda engine in them. This tire looks like the 1138, but it's really old. Like the old sizes on it, 12.4, 1138. So this tire would have been 1960s. Look at the condition it's in. It's a testimony of how many hours are on it since in the last 60 years. Like even like a tire this old to have the rubber in between tells me this hasn't done a lot of work the last few years, and it's well done. Like these have a live PTO, I believe. Look at how well the belt pulley's been kept up too. Some people say these are Canadian Olivers, and they're not. That's true about some Cockshutt tractors, but not the 30s, 40s, 50s, and
yeah, they're all Canadian built. Eh?
You see, made in Canada, and it's a different design from an Oliver too. But it's a nice 30 for somebody. Very nice. Here's a WD-6. You notice they got an International instead of the McCormick logo on the front. And the odd one I've seen has that. But it's a nice straight tractor, nicely restored. 39,140, so this make a 1950. They made a homemade battery box because to find the proper one is very difficult. And it looks good. Somebody put a solenoid on it rather than the switch too, but it's still good. The new rubber on the back, brand new rubber on the back. It's a nice old WD-6. Somebody cut the drawbar off. They sometimes do that for PTO work. They cut this drawbar off too, this bottom piece, but it's still a nice old tractor. It's got a single set of wheel weights on it. It's got a good belt pulley. He kept the belt pulleys up really good. Yeah, it's definitely a 5731T.
It starts Monday and it's online.
This is, they put a, I think they went, they replaced the gas line on it for the starting side. This has a needle valve here. This carburetor could have come off a 600 or something like that, or super, where it's 650. Because normally they don't have that. And they have a different regulator on this, or I don't know what they put there, but the generator is correct, but this isn't. I don't know what they did there, but it's an 1100 964 generator, so it is the correct one for a late WD-6. It's still a nice old tractor. It really is. It's all there. Looks good. You never have to be ashamed of taking this one to the show. It's a nice tractor. Here's a Minneapolis-Moline U. This is well done. Proper lights on, new rubber on the front. The back one's in good shape. It's a nice outfit. Nicely done, Minneapolis. These have hand clutches on because that's their design. It's a well done tractor, it really is. There's a nice Minneapolis for somebody. Here's a Fordson Major. There again, everything's well done. Like the fronts are older, but they're serviceable. But everything's nice and straight and pretty well proper. Good tires on the back, like they're older, but they're really good. It has a 3-point hitch and the remote on it. It's a good outfit. You're a Ford van, this could be for you. Here's a Case VA. Nice street there again, nice street and well done. Nice little tractor. There again, as everything else, nice new tires on the back. It's a good tractor. He said everything started right up this morning, I believe, and like these are all ready to go to the show. They're very nice. So there's a Case for somebody. This is a this is a nice original 484. It's got a 2200 International loader. See, it's got the original grill and everything, actually. It doesn't look original, but I think it is. These are just the 3-cylinder engine. Yeah, these are 179s. I believe they're half a 358. But this is a nice tractor. I guess it's 0158.7. Don't know if that's not original, but looks like it could be. It's a nice tractor. Like there again, this is 13.6/28 BF Goodrich. I would highly doubt if this was not the original tires. I guess couldn't have done much work anyways. Got a 3-point hitch on it. Top link comes with. This is a nice tractor. You'll never find a better original 484 around, I can tell you that right now. Very nice tractor for somebody. Here's a Cubby, nicely restored Cubby. New rubber on the front, the back are older, but they're certainly serviceable. These things are nice little tractors. It's an early Cub. I think these are 8.3 24s, I think. And yeah, it's got a PTO, but only suitable for Cub implements. Yeah, I think these are 824s, pardon me, 824s. He built a step to make it easier to get on and off. It's a nice tractor, 70,003, so this be like a 49, I think, or 50 maybe. So there you go. Here's an Allis-Chalmers U, nicely restored. Like, it's older restoration, but still nice. Like this, your power polish will look fresh. New rubber all the way around. He put an 8-volt battery in it, and that's not such a bad thing. Never used an 8-volt. 16.9/28. Brand new ones. Now these are 4-speed transmission. I don't know much about these. They don't come up very often. It's a nice tractor. They don't look, I don't know if these are supposed to be like a W9 competitor. They look small for a W9. I think they're more like a 6 size, but I could be wrong. It's a nice old tractor for somebody anyways. Here's a KB5, nicely restored one. Very nicely restored. Like the interior looks good too. The doors work good in these, not like Loadsters. Nice outfit. It looks like it's got a 2-speed axle on it. I don't know how many, probably 4 and 2 would be my guess. Shows 42,757.4 miles. Don't know if that's right or not, but it's certainly restored nice. It's got a hoist on it, but they don't have a box on it. Like 750/20 tires. Nice outfit. Got IH mud flaps on it. There's nothing wrong with this old truck at all. It's a beautiful restoration. You'll never find a better KB5. It's a very beautiful truck for somebody. So there you go. He got his history on. It's a 1947 KB5. So there you go. Well, that was actually a pretty decent auction. Nice tractors. And that's a big difference between people. This guy, I called him and asked him about videoing it, and he is very happy that I did it. And the auction company was their representatives, and I got along great. They were handing out water and donuts, and it was just a great experience. And I hope they do really well at this auction. Hope this video has earned a like and subscription. God bless y'all. Catch you at the next one.